Hello guys, and welcome back to AI Product Reviews, the place where we provide you with expert reviews. Today we're diving deep into the heart of Copymatic AI, a content creation tool which can be your marketing expert. I'm going to show you on how to use this tool properly and get the maximum results. But before we start, don't miss the chance to experience it yourself with our exclusive free trial offer. Just click the link below and unlock the magic of Copymatic AI today. After you've done the traditional sign up, you will find yourself on the Copymatic dashboard. Looking at it, I felt like I was in a marketing tool heaven. Click on the All Tools section and here you will find a large number of content tools. Choose the category that you need: blogs, copy and SEO, social media and ads, marketing. Additionally, you have the Other Tools section where you can find different gems such as image generator, grammar rewriter, and very useful project text proposal, e-commerce tools, or if you can't find what you're looking for, send a request for a new tool. To get things started, on your left you will find the article generator. Let's see what it can do. Choose the language of your article, the title, keywords, and write at least 3 subheadings. Now watch the magic happen. In just a few seconds you will generate an entire article with suggested pictures, SEO score, content analysis, and even plagiarism checker. How beautiful is this? The best part is, if you don't want to work alone, you have a personal workspace button which allows you to include team members. So the key to success is a good blog post. Copymatic offers all blog related tools in one place. Let's try out the paragraph generator. First, choose a language, creativity level, write what's your paragraph about, the keywords, and choose the voice tone. You can even choose the number of results, which is up to 8. Click generate and abracadabra. You get entire paragraphs which are completely engaging and will leave your audience wanting more. Next, we have a website copy and SEO tools. Here you have various tools like headlines, subheadings, meta descriptions, and more. Let's check out the landing page tool. Creating landing pages has never been easier. Just feed the AI with some info like language, voice tone, company name, type, audience, description, and color. Next, you need to choose your page structure. So pick the things you want people to see on your page. Click Create New Page and there you have it. How cool is this?
It would be so awesome. It would be so cool.
The best part is that you can edit every single detail, change the text position, colors, and then save or export your landing page. The most popular tools are the social media ones, of course. Instagram, Google Ads, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Quora. Copymatic has got you covered. If you can't decide, just try out the social media post tool. The procedure is the same. Choose language, creativity, voice tone, company description, and what's the post about. Click generate and you'll get engaging posts that will boost your marketing strategy. While I was reading them, I have to say they are actually really good and they sound like a professional wrote them. The posts have all the necessary elements and you can copy and edit them further. Moving on to the marketing section, you can find a lot of useful tools related to email marketing, product description, video scripts, text-to-speech. Email marketing never gets old, so I've tried that one. Fill in a few details about the sender and recipient and you'll get 100% professional email that will give you new business opportunities. Copymatic also has a useful chat tool which can help you brainstorm your ideas. Moreover, it offers a Chrome extension and the API. And the pricing is quite affordable, starting at only $15 a month. And that's it! You got the chance to get to know Copymatic, a useful content creation tool that can boost your marketing strategy. So, if you're ready to experience its creative potential, make sure to use our link below for a free trial. Thanks for joining us today. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more reviews, and leave your questions and comments below. Until next time, happy content creating with Copymatic.